Today I'm going to show you, how to study from a YouTube video in 3 minutes. Basically, what I'm trying to say is, go and watch the YouTube video, whatever is recommended, something really useful, the other guy is, doing a lot of problem. All you do is go to the video. Then once you started writing the problem, just pause, and suppose, you have the problem there in the board. Then what you do is you pause, then just copy the problem, you just work out the problem on your own. Once you're done, go and check, just go and run the play and go to the place where the final answer. You don't have to watch the whole thing, just go where the final answer he's writing, and look at the answer and see whether you got the same answer as he is, and you got it. So if you don't get the right answer, if you get the right answer, what you do is, then you do step 1 through 3, go back, go to, let's say he's doing about 3 or 4 problem. First problem is done, you got the right answer. Next, run, play, go to the next forward, go to the next problem, then follow the whole step, 1 through 3. But if you get the wrong answer, then you have a problem. So you can either watch his of course you should watch his video and see whether it makes sense. Still you are having trouble, you don't understand what he's talking about, then you better go to a tutor or somebody, get some help. Alright, I'm going to show you a video right now, and I pick some video here. I'm going to show you. Okay, here's the video I pick over here. So here's the problem. So you see that this is the IB problem. The sum of the first 6 terms of an arithmetic series is 81, and the sum of the first 11 terms is 231. Find the first term and the common difference. So I got the thing. I just want to go on pause, then what I do is, and I'm going to go back, and so I got the problem here, so I'm going to go and put the problem there. And so I put the problem here. So you see the problem, I have it here, and so this is the problem we have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work out the problem by myself, like what you would do. So this is a arithmetic progression, and you need a couple of formulas. So the sum of the first 6 terms is 81, so that means S6 is 81, and sum of the first 11 term is S11 is 231. So we got all the information we need. So the question is find the first term, that is A and D. Alright, so I need to write the formulas here. The formula is the following formula you should use. Sn, the sum of n term is n by 2, the number of terms, times the first term plus the last term. So the first term is A. I prefer this formula. The first term is A, the nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D, and if you simplify, you may have another formula there. It's same as n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where d is the common difference. Okay, so we're going to use this formula here. I call this one formula 1. So we're going to plug and chuck, we're going to substitute. So you substitute n equal to 6, that's S6, and you get S6 equal to 6 over 2 times 2a plus 6 minus 1, that's 5d, and so this is what you get. If you simplify, so you already know that's 81, so I'm going to say, so this is going to be 81. So if I simplify, 6 over 2 is what? 6 divided 2, that's 3 times 2a plus 5d equal to 81. The best thing is, I see a 3 common, between the 3 over on the left side and the right. So if I divide both sides by 3, I will get 2a plus 5d equal to 81. So it goes 2 times, and so 2 left 21, 7, 27. So this one I'm going to call equation number 2, and I'm going to do it over here because I don't have much space. So S11 equal to, use the formula, 11 over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1, that is what, 11 minus 1, 10d. That must be equal to 231. So what I do is, over here 11 over 2 times 2a plus 10d equal to 231. I have an easy way there, so why don't I just here 2a plus 10d, so I divide this thing by 2. So I said 11 times 2a plus 10d, the whole quantity divided by 2, equal to 231. And if I divide 2a plus 10d, that's going to give me 11 times a plus 5d equals 231. And I know 11 can divide 231, so if I divide here, I get a plus 5d. So I'm going to a plus 5d equals 231. When I divide by 11, so 22, that's going to be 2, and I got a 1 left, that's 1. So here I write a plus 5d equal to 21. I call this on equation number 3. So the easy way is, what we can do is subtract equation 3 from, subtract subtract 3 from 2, we get 2a minus a is what? A equal to 5d, 5d cancel out, 27 minus 1 is 6, so a equal to 6. So we got to find the first term, and we need to find the d. And either you can go to equation number 3 or 2. I prefer 3. So in 3, what you do is equation 3, substitute a equal to 6, and you get 6 plus 5d equal to 21. That give you 5d equal to, subtract the 6 from both sides, you get 21 minus 6 is what? 15. Therefore divide both sides by 5, so you get what? D equal to 3. So the common difference is 3, and the first term is 5. Let's go and watch the video and see we got the same answer as the guys. Alright, so here's the guy. He has the video here. I got the problem. I'm not going to watch here. Okay, I'm going to watch here. Alright, here you go. Find the first term common. Okay, that's the problem I have here. I'm gonna go. I don't want to spend my whole time here, and hopefully I got the right answer. Okay, first term is 6 and the common difference is 3. Alright, I'm gonna go to the next problem. So here's the next problem. An 81-meter rope is cut into n pieces of increasing length that form an arithmetic sequence with a common difference d meters. Given that the length of the shortest and the longest pieces are 1.5 and 7.5, find the value of n and d. So I'm going to copy this problem first, and I'm going to take it to my board. I'm going to work the problem out. Okay, so what I do is, I use a snipper to cut it, and I'm going to go here, and I'm going to take this guy out. I'm going to go to the new page. Okay, so I'm going to put this problem here. So I have the problem here. So I have the problem. Okay, So this is the meter rope. So it's a cutting ring length from arithmetic second commander d meter. Okay, so it's a rope. So what I have is, let me see. So what I have is n pieces. So the sum of the length of all the small pieces are going to be 81. So that one I know for sure. So I would say S. Okay, I gotta get this guy. S n equal to 81. I don't know how, but I don't know anything about the n. All I know is n pieces, and I have a equal to 1.5. That's the first term, and we assume that it's increasing, because the real length. So it's not like a negative; it's a positive, and the longest pieces are 7.5. So I'm going to say what the last one is L is, I call L equal to, maybe I'll use lowercase l. Let me use lowercase l equal to 7.5 meter. This is meter. This is 81 meters. Okay. So what I had to do is I had to find the value of n and d. So to find the value of n, okay, I'm going to use this formula. So 81 meter. So Sn, I'm going to use this formula. Sn equal to n by 2 times a plus first term, the last term, the average, So that's going to give me, so here n by 2, I don't know what is n is, n over 2 times a is 1.5 meter plus 7.5 meter equal to 81 meters. So what I had to do is, so I just add these two, 1.5 plus 7.5 is for 7 plus 8, 9, okay, 8, 9 n over 2 equal to 81 meter. So 9 meter here, so the meter get cancelled. Okay. Okay, here you go. So so let's do this. 9n equal to 2 times 81. So divide both sides by 9. So when you divide by 9, what do you get here? 9 times 2, 18. So n is 18. So once you get n is 18, so the easy way is go to the L, because last term, that last term, that is a 18 is 7.5. So what do you do is use a formula for nth term. The formula for nth term is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So in this case, a18 equal to a, that is 1.5 plus n minus 1. N is n is 18, so 18 minus 1, 17 d. So we know a18 is 7.5. So what do you do? So you solve for 17d, subtract 1.5 both sides. 7.5 minus 1.5, 1.6. So d equal to, that's a meter, 6 over 17. So this is the answer. D is 6 over 17, and 6 over. Okay. So I'm going to go back to the video again, and I'm going to watch that video quickly. God, that video take me so much time. Okay, here's the one. So he already has a problem there, so we're going to check our answer the same as his answer. Alright, I'm doing fast. Alright, we got it. 18, 6 over 17, we got it. So we did 2 problems in 2-3 minutes. Okay, so here's the next problem. Okay, circular disc is cut into. Okay, I'm going to. A circular disc is cut into 12 sectors. So a circular. You remember there's a circular disc cut into 12 sectors. So there's a tricky part there. You need to understand when they talk about circular disc, you got a lot of stuff. Area, the sum of all the angles, whole bunch of stuff there. So you have to pay attention and see how you're going to solve the problem. All right. So what he says, so cut into 12 pieces. So n equal 12. Arithmetic sequence. Angle of the largest sector is twice the angle of the smaller sector. So that's the key point. So I'm going to copy this thing, and I'm going to copy it to my board, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to use this one and do the problem. Alright, so I'm going to go to a new page, and I'm going to copy this problem here. So you can use a snippet like I'm using here. That's really handy. Okay, circle is cut into 12 sectors. So I'm going to get my compass here. Alright, I'm going to get my compass here. Alright, I got my compass here. Very nice and easy. So here's my compass. Okay, get rid of the compass. So I'm going to draw a line here. So all I know is, okay, here. The first guy is here. It's a small tiny angle. I'm going to divide here, and the last guy is somewhere twice that amount the angle I have. Okay, I'm going to put this guy here. So this is the last guy. So I got it. So let's go back to my pen. So all I know is if this angle is x, this is going to be 2x, and they all cut into 12 pieces. So that one, so I know n is 12. So that's a good thing to start with. And I don't have anything else. All I know is the first term, the last term. There are 12 of them. I have no idea. Something is missing. I got an x here. I need to solve for x. I need an equation. How do you get the equation? Alright, remember, indirectly they are telling you something. What is that? You remember when you have a circle, so when there's a point, not a circle, there's a point, what is the total angle around this? 360 degree. So that's the one we are going to use. That is going to be what? This total angle. So this is x, and the next one is x plus d. We don't know what the d is. X plus 2d, x plus 3d, like that. It comes here, and all the way the whole sum is 360. So that means what? S 12 is what? 360 degree. I know it's a tricky problem. So this is what you're going to use. Okay, that's it. Once you found this thing, everything is simple as what we have. So let's do the formula Sn. I'm going to use this formula. Sn equal to n by 2, that is n by 2 times a plus the last term. That's the best one for me. I mean, I can use the other one, I prefer this. So S12 equal to n by 2, 12 over 2 times the first one is x, the last one is 2x. So what do you get? 12 over 2, that's 6 times 3x. 6 times 3x. So, but we know S12 is 360 degree. Therefore, this is what? 18x. Therefore, 18x equal to 360. Therefore, x equal to 360 degree divided by 18, that is 20 degree. So all you know is find the smaller sector. Therefore, that is smaller sector is what? 20. That's it. 20 degree. So we're done with the problem. Like I said, 3 minutes, we are done with the problem. We can go back and check the guy's answer. Because this way, but first of all, you have to know the guy is reliable. Okay. So here you go. here's the problem. So he has it here. I'm gonna go look at his son, and he got it. Okay, theta to theta. Hopefully we're gonna have the same answer as he is. Alright, 20 degrees. Okay, so we got the same answer as he is. Okay, so you know how to study from another guy's side. He's working, because the guy has to be reliable. He's reliable, but you don't want to spend 5-6 minutes watching his thing. You just want to do it quick and get to the point. So that's all I have for you, and we'll see you